Simple interest ଆମେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ question solve କରିବା. A sum was put at simple interest at a certain rate of for 2 years. Had it been put at 3% higher rate, it would have fetched 72 more. The sum is. ताले केमते हम ताको solve करिबा. हमको rate of interest के देला 3% higher rate, time देला 2 year. 3 into 2 देला 6%. तो 6% हमको केते देला 72. 6% आगे हमारा 72 है 100% के ताने जानी जे प्रिंसिपल को सब बड़ा में 100% रे काउंट करू ताले 72 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 into 100 ताले हमारा कितना आसला 2 रे काटिले 2 3 की 6 2 रे काटिले 50 ये 3 रे काटिले 3 2 गुणे 6 12 3 4 12 24 50 5 4 20 16 5 10 2 12 1200 that is the answer.